All right, this is the MAVO Phantox. This is an amazing grinder. This is the best grinder I've ever had, but I also haven't necessarily paid for better. I'm coming from a Time War chestnut. This is leagues ahead, obviously. Great weight. This feels super sturdy. Everything's metal. I don't see any plastic on it. My one complaint, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Ooh, dropping beans. This aluminum doesn't really thread well into the base. So it does, every single time you use it, it's like you have to kind of push it back a little bit and then re-screw it. It takes some effort, but I mean, you get over it, you get used to it. It's now muscle memory, but that's my only complaint. Well worth the money, super consistent grind. I love it.